Interesting. No. That's where all the showers and everything are. Not exactly sure why this one's open. This is the one we want to stay in, but you got the wrong name. Twain Art. Supposedly Mark Twain stayed here, or something about Mark Twain. We had Edgar Allan Poe, we screwed up. They all have a balcony, it's the third floor. Apologize for the low light. My battery's too dead. We literally have the hotel to ourselves. This is looking out the front. There's like a little restaurant, diner. We haven't quite made it to it yet. We were gonna get married here. Let's see if we can. This is going to be our reception hall. Apologize for the low light. And this is supposed to be the infamous cracked mirror that people see steps in. So, and that's about all we got. Piano on the side. Oh, there's a little miniature of it. It's too cool. Sorry, you guys can't see. Whoops. I wasn't prepared and I didn't. What's it called? Charge my phone. There we go. Remember this was a lot bigger though. Hall, I mean. Alright, and then that's the rear door that we use, and they have these little cottages in the back and stuff. It's really cool. It's very interesting being in a hotel all by yourself. Definitely get your workout with these stairs. Guess I'll give you a quick picture of the restrooms. Because not all the rooms have restrooms. They're shared. So there's one which I found has no sink. Kind of looks like a Star Wars blaster in the paint. And then has a real fill of the Winchester. There's another room here. And here's a bigger bathroom. So, not bad. Pretty nice.